Hello all, this will be my presentation for the children's literature and math lesson. The book that I chose is The Doorbell Ring. In its simplest form, it's a story about sharing. This book can be used in grades K through 3, even though I use it in my pre-K class. The story is Ma bakes a dozen cookies. A dozen is 12, as we all know. Her children come to her and tell her they are hungry. She has 2 children. One's Victoria and the other is Sam. She tells them to divide or split equally the cookies. As more and more people ring the doorbell, they have to divide the cookies among them. So they're using division, and that's mostly what the book is about. For the lesson, the objective of this lesson will be students will be able to divide the cookies from an ongoing count to be able to share the cookies equally. So if we start here, the lesson is on division. What is division? Division is splitting a number into equal groups. So as we see here on the side, we have some cookies. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cookies. So this is our dozen cookies. We're going to split those among Ma's 2 children, right? So it's going to be 12 divided by 2. So who knows how many cookies do they each get? Victoria and Sam. If we divide 12 by 2, right in the middle right here, we can see how many cookies they each get, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For Victoria, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Sam. So they each get 12. They each get 6 cookies, right? Just as they're about to eat them, they hear the doorbell ring. And guess what? 2 more people came. There was their friend Tom and their friend Hannah. So now it's going to be the dozen cookies that we see right here divided by 4, right? So we're going to have Victoria, Sam, Tom, and Hannah. So if we divide these by 4 into 4 groups, we can do it like this. And let's see how many each person gets. Here's the 4 groups. In each 1, 2, 3, 4. In each group, there are 1, 2, 3 cookies. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Each child will get 3 cookies. And they were going to eat. But guess what? Somebody else is at the doorbell. Next came Peter and his little brother. So now there's 6 people at the doorbell. 12 divided by 6. Does anyone know what 12 divided by 6 is? We have Victoria, Sam, Tom, Hannah, Peter, and his little brother. 12 divided by 6. That's right, it's 2. So everyone needs to get at least 2 cookies. So let's try to divide these right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. These are all divided into 2. Let's see how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 groups of 2 is 12. So they're each going to get how many cookies? 2 cookies. Because 12 divided by 6 is 2. So they will get 2 cookies. But guess what? The doorbell rings again. How much more can they take? So now 6 more people arrived. So for your homework, I want you to tell me how many cookies does each person get if 6 more people arrive. I need you to show me your work and your steps you use to get your answer. We'll come back tomorrow and share everyone's answer. Thank you for coming. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye, kids.